Welcome guys. Welcome to Daily Crypto Trading. Today we're going to do a TA of Moonbeam. Let's jump straight into it and analyze. In the daily chart, we can see that Moonbeam is making a falling wedge, which is an uptrend continuation. So that is actually pretty bullish. We are also seeing that Moonbeam have holding the 21 SMA, which is the red line you guys are seeing here, and it broke out of the trend line right here. Again, bullish news. Now, if we look at the volume for Moonbeam, it is falling. That is not good. As you guys seeing here, we pretty much need a rising volume to have an uptrend continuation. But at the side, we are above 50 in the daily. That is good, which means we are in an uptrend. And the most important thing at the side stock, we are oversold, guys. So overall, it is forming bullish formation and signals, which is no guarantee, but a higher probability for uptrend. Now the question is, how high can it go, or how low can it go? Well, let's check it out. And for that, we can use, of course, if you found my channel, you know what that is, the trend-based Fib extensions tool. So if we use that, take from the lowest to the highest to the lowest, we can actually measure our target. So my first target will pretty much be around this price range, $6. Second will be around this price range, which is $7.3. All right. However, we still have some resistance level, which the Fib level are telling us, and we can confirm it by the VPVR, right? So right over here, there's a lot of supply, which means a lot of activity. All right. So there's a lot of sellers already at this Fib level, and of course at the golden pocket, as you guys seeing right now, there's a lot of resistance, which pretty much mean the price action is struggling to go above this level. So this level is pretty much right over here, the golden pocket area, right? So a lot of resistance, the $3.35, guys. So once we are above this, right? Once we are above the golden pocket, we have another pocket, which is a small one, which is the Fib level 514. And then we need to hold it as support, because this area right over here will be a lot of support, guys. So we will have to hold this support, but we have an uptrend continuation, right? As for support areas, if we get way too much resistance and we go to the downside instead, remember guys, in trading there's no guarantee, only probability. I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own due diligence. But anyway guys, if we also have to measure that, we can again use the trend-based Fib extension. Then we can take from the top, from the low, and then we can actually see right there. And just look how beautiful they are aligned with the VPVR. Right over here, there's a lot of resistance. And let me just make it more clearly for you guys. So right at this price range, there will be a big support area, which means we call this the demand zone, when there's a lot of buyers ready to buy up. All right. So if this fail, we get rejected at the golden pocket area, and all of these Fib levels fail, there's a lot of resistance, a lot of support here. Again, guys, remember there's still support right here and here. It's not that strong. The strongest support area is around $2.7. And to make it more clear for you guys, that is the demand zone, which is the buy zone we call it. That is when the demand is greater than the supply, and this is the supply zone. That is when the supply is greater than demand. All right, that's that the liquidity is getting thin right over here. All right. So at the moment, once we are above this, again, this is just to show you guys or illustrate it better. Once we go above this, we'll use this as support, and then this will be a demand zone. And once we go above this resistance, this is again a resistance. Also a sell zone, a supply zone. You can sell 25% if you're a day trader. Then you can use this as support. And the last one is, of course, our last target price, which is the $7.3 in the short term, guys. These are the supply zone and demand zone, just to make it easier for you. We can also take our Elliot wave tools, right? So if we take our trend-based Fib extension tool, take from the bottom right here to the top right there, all the way to the bottom, then we can see they're perfectly aligned with the supply zone, right? So if we just take our Elliot wave, we have wave 1, we have wave 2, and then wave 3, which is all the way right here. Now we are going to wave 4, which we call the ABC wave, or the corrective wave, which we call these other waves we call impulsive wave. But anyway, around this, because wave, oh yeah, I just messed that up, right? Let's try that all over again. I'm not even going to cut this. Let's just do something like this, and all the way here. Wave 4 will be most likely here, because wave 4 cannot go below wave 1, then it get invalidated. and with 5 usually go above the 2618. All right, again, this is a possibility, is no guarantee. Always be aware of that, guys. But Elliot wave most likely look like this. All right, so we're just gonna let it stay as it is. So this is a possibility again, guys, but no guarantee, because as always, all of these altcoins are correlated with Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin drops suddenly, right, and don't find support, just flash drop 10%, 15%, altcoins, 9 of 10 altcoins drop 50%, 40%, and the same goes with Moonbeam. All right, they are all correlated with Bitcoin. If we take a fast look at the market dominance, like Bitcoin dominance, altcoin dominance, so on. If you've been following my channel, you know I made these kind of support for the dominance. It's just been spot on, and our support for Bitcoin dominance are not holding anymore, so we are going down. It's looking like that. Usually that means if Bitcoin dominance drop and altcoin dominance goes up, that just means that altcoins is outperforming Bitcoin in percent, not in price, but in percent. So that just means that they're moving their currency from Bitcoin to altcoins and so on to get more money. All right. As for the stablecoin, yeah, stablecoins is just increasing, just mean that people are selling off their altcoins and Bitcoin for stablecoin because they are fearful when market is suddenly dropping. Everyone is fearful and they want to secure their profit, right? Very normal market cycle. Thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoy my content, consider subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Join our free Discord server. The link will be provided down below, guys. And yeah, see you on the Discord server.